moment, so it's actually pinging now. If you want to put it over, if you want to get going. Okay, John, here's some results from our scan at Capernwray. You can see it's a pretty good scan. You can see the ground is even each side of the main line, which is where the scanner buoy is, and you can see they're evenly distanced from each side. This is the bottom of the lake, and as you can see, we were coming along here, and then we went over a drop-off, and actually you can just see here now. Here is the plane underwater in Capernwray just beginning to show up, and you can see that there's actually some reflections here and here of the plane as well. These disturbances here are muck and possibly some shoals of fish in the water as well. But that's actually not too bad a scan at all.